Hello everyone. Today we are starting with first practical. Today's menu is boiled rice, dal fry, potato bhaji, chapati, cucumber and shira. Before preparing today's menu, let us discuss the stages in food preparations. The first one is pre-preparation. We call it as mise à plat. Second is preparation, that is actual preparation what we have to do. And third is presentation. Presentation we have to do with the garnishes. For today's menu, we have to prepare following mise à plat. For boiled rice, we have to soak rice. For dal fry, we have to soak the dal. For potato bhaji, we have to boil potatoes. For chapati, we have to prepare the dough. For shira, we have to do roasting of semolina. And for cucumber and dal potato bhaji, we have to cut onion, green chili, tomato, coriander and cucumber. We will start with the food preparation. First, we will soak rice. We have to wash rice twice. Soak dal also. We have taken tur dal. Wash it nicely. We have to soak rice and dal for 20 to 30 minutes. For potato bhaji, we have to wash potatoes, put them into the water, and we have to boil this potato for 20 to 25 minutes on a medium flame. We will roast semolina for making shira. Heat kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee into it. Then add semolina and go on roasting it on a medium flame or a slow flame till it become golden brown in color. Not too golden brown, light golden brown in color. Now we will prepare dough for chapati. Take whole wheat flour or atta, add salt and sieve the flour. After sieving flour, make a well at the center, add water and we have to prepare the dough with this. Our dough is ready. Now we will just add 1 teaspoon of oil into it and we will knead the dough in the oil till it becomes a smooth and a pliable mass, and we will rest the dough for next 20 to 25 minutes. The dough is ready. See how soft is it. Okay, and now we will cover this dough with the wet cloth. We will cut onion, tomato, green chili, coriander leaves and cucumber. We have finished with all our mise à plat. Our dal is soaked, rice is soaked already. We will keep them for boiling now. Cucumber are cut, onion, tomato, green chili and coriander are also cut. We have prepared the dough ready. Potatoes are boiled meantime and we have roasted semolina too. We start boiling dal. Add just a pinch of turmeric into the dal. For rice, we have to take double quantity of water and add rice into it. We are preparing rice by absorption method. Basically, there are two ways of cooking rice. One is absorption method and second one is throw-away method. For absorption method, we have to take double quantity of water, whereas for throw-away, we have to take 4 times water. In today's recipe for boiled rice, we are preparing rice by absorption method. We have taken 1 portion of rice and 2 portion of water. Into that, we have to just add salt and allow it to boil till rice is done. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt and just 1 teaspoon of oil. This oil will help to make rice grains separate. We will boil this dal for 20 to 25 minutes till it becomes soft, and we will boil rice for another 15 to 20 minutes till it is soft. We will prepare cucumber. Take all cucumber. Just add little bit of onions. Add green chili. Just add enough green chili for the spiciness. Few coriander leaves and salt. Squeeze little bit lemon juice into it, and we just need to toss this. The scum which is floating on top, we have to remove. Scum is nothing but the impurities. We can see the rice and water level is equal. When the rice and water level is equal, we have to transfer the vessel onto a griddle. Keep it on a very slow flame and keep it with the lid covered for next 10 minutes till rice is done. We will start with the shira preparation. We will take the ghee, put it into the kadai, and we will fry the nuts. The fruits are ready. Now we will remove them. Next stage, in roasted semolina, we have to add sugar. Equal quantity sugar we have to add. How much rava we have taken? We can see the sugar is started melting. Now at this stage we are going to add water and milk. We will add little bit of cardamom powder for the flavor. Mix it nicely. Now we can see that the water is completely absorbed, the liquid is completely absorbed. At this stage, we are going to add melted ghee into it. Add fried nuts and just give a light mix. Shira is ready. Now we will start plating it. Take nuts. Our rice is also ready. You can see the 4 long grains of rice. And preparing it. Start the preparation of potato bhaji. The ingredients required for potato bhaji are boiled cube potatoes, chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves. We require tempering ingredients: curry leaves, asafoetida or hing, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, oil, turmeric and salt. First take of oil. The oil is hot. Now we will add all the tempering ingredients. Cumin seeds, mustard seeds, hing, few curry leaves, chopped chilies, allow it to crackle a little. Do not burn it. We have to be very careful. Now we will add chopped onions. And saute till onion become translucent. You have to saute just for a couple of minutes on a medium flame. The onions are ready. We'll just add little bit of turmeric. Add boiled cube potatoes and just toss them in the mixture for a couple of minutes. Add salt, we will start preparing dal fry. The ingredients required to prepare dal fry are: this is boiled mashed dal, partly we have to mash the dal. This is chopped ginger and garlic, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped chilies, chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, asafoetida or hing, mustard seeds, turmeric, oil, salt, cumin seeds, red chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, hing, red chilies, curry leaves, chopped ginger and garlic, chopped chili, add some chopped onion and saute for a couple of minutes till onion become translucent. Add turmeric, add chopped tomatoes, saute it for 2 minutes, add boiled mashed dal, add enough water, boil dal first and then simmer it for 5 to 6 minutes. Add salt, we can see dal is ready. Now we will add chopped coriander leaves and ghee. Put chopped coriander leaves as a garnish. Start preparing chapati. First of all, roll the dough and divide it into equal portions. And then make them a round. We have divided the dough into equal parts. We'll start rolling now. roast the chapati. Ensure that your tawa is hot enough. We see the bubbles are coming. We just need to turn the chapati. Now we will add oil. Turn it. Do it from the other side. Ensure that chapati is baked evenly from all the sides. Our menu is ready. Boiled rice, dal fry, potato bhaji, cucumber chapati and shira.